So, hello guys. So now this is the time that we will discharge my daughter from her delivery. So I will visit her now what she's doing right now. And there she is. She have her dinner. And she's feeling good now.
Yes, yes.
Really, the room is very big and then it's really clean.
Ma'am, your bill is ready, okay?
Huh? I will video.
Yeah.
Really?
Your
Ayan.
bill is ready. Tell your husband to go to billing counter.
See advertisement.
This is that I told you, no, painkiller, suppository.
Okay.
One suppository only in your motion bath. This is the optional medicine in case you have severe pain, then only put, otherwise don't put, okay? For 5 days. Only one suppository.
If needed.
If needed.
If needed.
Like this one. Remove in your motion passing area.
Okay. And now she's not looking like have a delivery. Thank you so much, nurse. Thank you so much. And now she's having now her dinner, and we will just wait for the time that she will be discharged, and we will go to the billing department. What you have, Nak? You're feeling good. Look at her. She looks beautiful. But unfortunately, we cannot see the baby because it's still on the incubator. Yeah. So guys, when you are trying to deliver your baby and you have already a time to just choose the Aster Hospital, they are so good here. They will explain detail by detail even how you take the medicine. And they can take care of you no matter what. They are not racist. They are so good. But you have anak, and also the food is more nutritious. Ano ka naman? Sabi mo kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi ka malamang alok. Ayan, she's kakain na. But dinala ko siya nung yan yung meron siya. Meron siyang sukuni at meron siya noong carrots. Yung carrots siya. Then, ano yan, chicken anak or fish? Kailangan pag-aralan ko yung luto na yan dahil yan lang yung pwede sa'yo. Ayan. Ayan. Then she have water here. Actually, paggagawa natin ng juice sa bahay, Jay. Pwede yun sa'yo, no? Ayan. Then meron siyang yogurt. Anak, alam mo, masarap sa tiyan. Maganda ang nagagawa niyan. Hoy, pumunta ka daw doon sa billing niya. Nasaan na yung ano niya? Nasaan na yung... Oo. Lagyan mo muna ito yan. Nasaan yung kanyang gamot?
Nandun.
Ipinasok mo na sa ano?
Saan daw sa billing?
Tanong mo siya, punta ka sa nurse kasi sa estate niya. They are also good here, even from the lower stuff like the maintenance. They are so good. They are so respectful. That's why we're so proud that we choose Aster for her for delivery.
Aster Mangkul.
Aster Mangkul, isa lang naman ng ilan bang Aster Hospital?
Meron.
But Aster Mangkul, because this is very near to our house. So, but the best is Aster Mangkul. So, then from time to time, they will monitor you. Even you really already discharged, they will care for you. And you will be having a summary of your being stayed here or being confined in this hospital. They will giving you a summary before they discharge you. What they did for you, what the kind of medicine they gave you. So they will detail it to you one by one, and then how you take the medicine. So clearly. What is the name of the nurse? Jetty Mercy. Yeah.
GT Mercy.
GT Mercy. The name of the nurse is GT Mercy. She's so clear on explaining how to take the medicine. So when you meet Miss Jetty, say hi and hello for her. She's on the, I don't know which section, for the for the delivery section area, for the OB/GYN, yeah, they are all good. So yun guys, and then we will just waiting for the time that we can go home. And so sad because we cannot take the baby, so let us wait until the production of baby is already finished. And please pray for us that the baby will be fine after maybe 2 weeks, 2 months maximum. Yeah, that was the time that's supposed to be he's on the womb of my daughter, but she cannot deliver it normally because of her hypertension, which is our history in the family. We have the hypertension, so that's why guys, when you are pregnant, take care of yourself. Don't abuse when you are using when you are eating the food. Don't abuse. Just follow the step that you are on the proper nutrition that you are taking, so you will be having a good healthy and normal delivery. Yeah. Thanks God because you have insurance, because if not, my goodness. Just finish your food, anak, and then you will take medicine after that. Okay. Thank you guys, and hope to updating. So maybe next updating will be with the baby. Oh. Now, here is the mother and the daughter now. We're looking good. Say yes. Thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and have a good evening, have a good day everyone. And if you are here in Dubai, and if you have something in your health, just consult or just visit the Aster Hospital, Al Mankhul. Tama ba? Al Mankhul, yes. The bigger hospital in the area of Al Mankhul in Dubai. So thank you for the nurses, thank you for the doctors, and hope to see you again for the consultation, which is really good. Thank you. Bye-bye.